this PW80 project has went on a lot longer than I wanted to. I've had this bike for years now, and I'm going to show it put up against the TTR230 in a minute because it just looks funny. But I've been working on it for years, and it's finally so close. So let me give you a rundown. I know I'm at a brace, it's like 80 degrees and it kills me, but I'll give you the quick rundown of what's happened recently. New gas in the tank, no longer using weed eater roll because that's really bad on it, and I shouldn't have done it. Now it's got just regular gasoline. I'm kidding. It's a 32-to-1 mix with this Yummy Lube 2-stroke engine oil. So I filled the tank up. Actually, you can see it's full of gas, and I don't remember where the last video left off because I lost a lot of footage. I lost footage of me plugging up this oil injection pump with gasket maker, and I sealed the hose with a little bit of hose sticking out of it. Holes with hose sticking out of it, and then I put gasket maker in the hose. Next thing I've done is I've got the tuning a bit closer, but the big plus, you can see that's on top there, it's the clutch. Good God, the choke, and look at that, it works now. You can hear it go up and down, so that's closed, that's open, so good deal there. And now what I'm trying to do is just line this bike out off of choke, which it doesn't have. It's got a pretty good idle while choked, but as soon as that goes away, it does not run anymore. I just wanted to show this because it's a bit funny. PW80 next to a 230, which also I gotta put $70 into soon because genius me broke a spoke, went through, busted the tubes. I need a tube and a wheel respoked, which is great. Are similar. They've both got this non-inverted fork, which means the thick part's on the bottom. On a race bike, the thick part's at the top. So I'm going to start this bike with the choke on, and then with this flathead screwdriver, I'm going to turn the gas and air screws. I'm going to start with the choke first to get it idle. You don't want to start completely right to choke on, but it's better. so I got an idea, but I gotta move kind of fast, and this will be a short video because I want to get it up before I go home because I'm at my dad's, and I'll make another video when I'm at the house because I think I might have to adjust the I forget what it's called, but it makes it richer or leaner head. And he did have a spark plug puller laying around. Please be the same size. Oh, it's not looking too good. Went to look. I just pulled off an angle grinder like a stroke of luck. There was sitting another plug puller. I want you to look at this. Okay, it's hot. It's not too hot though. Okay, it's pretty hot. I want you to look at this plug. Now notice how black it is. This plug I would consider to be fouled at this point. That means so much oil, two-stroke oil, and gasoline have got on it that it's stopping the plug. Now this is a way you can tell on a two-stroke bike too. If you pull it out and it's wet, like this one, like after I let it die, because I took the choke off and I let it die. So what this is showing me is that the engine is probably running very rich, which means, got all these noises. I thought that was that tractor at first, but it's just a water pump. But where it's so wet, that means it's probably getting too rich, and I need to back the fuel off a bit. So this may seem kind of strange to check it like this, but any bike you can check like this. And if a spark plug is very white and it looks like it's never even been touched before, like it's like brand new, very white, that probably means it's running too lean. It's hard for me to remember those two words.